Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can see your summon or your gacha history. So in case you want to see or you forgot what unit that you already summon. So the thing is, if you forgot or if you want to see in the past what unit you get, you can see in history page. So what you need to do first is tap the menu button, scroll down, and this one, tap the history, summon history, and this one. So it's divided by three: Dragonstone, friend point, and others like a ticket, worldwide campaign collaboration, Dokkan Festival B ticket, and many more. And also this is the Dragonstone, so I already summoned with 50 Dragonstone, and this is the unit that I got from this summon. And I got Shaft in the banner, and also this one with 5 Dragonstone, 50 Dragonstone. So if you are looking for your history, you can go to this page, summon history. So if you already summon in this page, in this banner, I mean, you can see the history. And I got Shaft in this one. I want this unit very badly, but I got Shaft, and I want to see my unit history on that page. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click thanks button below. Enjoy the game.